Welcome back, students. In the previous session we studied about the solid solute dissolved in a liquid solution. Now in this case we are going to study about the liquid solute dissolved in a liquid solvent. मतलब liquid के बारे में. See, everything is as same as the previous about the solid solute, only the change is that instead of mass we are going to use here the word volume. Understood? If the liquid solute is going to be dissolved in a liquid solvent, so it should be pronounced as the volume percentage of a solute. Volume percentage of a solute, it means it is going to be calculated into the milliliters. Understood? It means that 10 milliliter of solute is dissolved in the 100 milliliter of solution. Understood? हमें इससे पहले हमने सॉलिड सोल्यूट के बारे में बात किया था जिसे हमने ग्राम्स परसेंट ऑफ सोल्यूट में कंसिडर किया. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द लिक्विड सोल्यूट डिजॉल्व इन अ लिक्विड सॉल्वेंट, सो इट शुड बी कंसिडर्ड बाय द वॉल्यूम ओनली. Understood? What do you mean by the concentration of the liquid solvent or liquid solution? It should be the volume of the liquid solute in milliliter as per the percentage, 100% of the milliliter of concentration of the given solution. मतलब इसका परसेंटेज हमें किस पे देखने मिलता है? जो टोटल सॉल्वेंट होता है, सोल्यूट होता है, इन दोनों के मिक्सचर करने के बाद हमें मास वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मिलता है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मिलने के बाद में हमें वैल्यू लास्ट में किसकी मिलती है? कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन की. सी, ऑल द फॉर्मूलाज आर सेम, कैलकुलेशंस आर सेम, except the change is instead of mass we are going to use word volume because here we are using the liquid solute. Is it clear? Now see, consider that if we are getting the 20% of alcohol, it means 20% of alcohol means what? 20 milliliter of alcohol is present in a 100 milliliter of solution. 100 milliliter of solution I am talking, not solvent. So if you know that if 20 milliliter of alcohol is present in a 100 milliliter of solution. Understood? So how many percent of the solvent is there? We will minus this 100 minus 20 and we will get 80 ml of water. Understood? 80 ml of water. मतलब अल्कोहल किस में प्रेजेंट है? वाटर में. You know that they are giving us a very good picture. So this as alcohol is dissolving in a water. अब उसमें अगर 20 ml अल्कोहल है, 20% अल्कोहल है, तो वाटर कितना होगा? 80. हमने क्या किया? उस सॉल्यूशन को 100% कंसिडर करते हैं, उसमें से 20 माइनस किया और हमें 80 मिला. अब हम इससे हाउ टू सॉल्व, फाइंड आउट द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. कंसिडर दैट इफ वी हैव द volume of solute is equal to 20 milliliter and volume of solvent is equal to, it is 80, we got it. Understood? Now what we will do, volume of solution is equal to volume of solute plus वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. अब सोल्यूट कितना है? 20 प्लस 80 कितना हुआ? 100 ml हुआ. ठीक है. अब हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. कैसे करेंगे? वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूट कितना है? 20. वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन कितना निकाला? 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. 100 कैंसल, इट बिकम्स 20%. Is it clear? It's very very simple. One more example we will solve related with alcohol and water, then it will be clarified to you how to find out the concentration of the given solution in the case of the volume or in the case of the mass. Understood? बस एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखनी है कि सॉलिड सोल्यूट है कि लिक्विड सोल्यूट है। अगर लिक्विड सोल्यूट होता है तो वॉल्यूम लिखना है और सॉलिड सोल्यूट होता है तो मास लिखना है। अब देखो जैसे 50 ml हम पकड़ेंगे सोल्यूट इन द 150 ml ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, ठीक है। अब देखो हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे। वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू, हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूट अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100। पर हमें ये ढूंढने के लिए पहले इसे निकालना भी तो पड़ेगा ना। तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सोल्यूट प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, ठीक है। अब हमें पता है 50 प्लस 150 कितना हुआ, 200 हो गया। अब इस 200 को हम यहाँ पे ये 50 ये 200 वैल्यूज़ पुटअप करते चलो, 0 0 0 0 कैंसिल, बचा क्या 50/2 इज इक्वल टू 25% ऑफ सोल्यूट इज प्रेजेंट इन द गिवन solution. Is it clear? This is very simple and sweet example, only the difference I told you multiple times so that you remember it. One thing I want to tell you that when these things are going to be clarified in the industrial matter, so when they are not writing this is by mass and this is by volume, they are mentioning the things in this way. See, they are mentioning the things whenever you are going to take the medicines or any other things which are related with the chemicals. So there are weight they had mentioned behind the information tag or MRP where it is written. They are writing the W by W for the weight and V by V for the volume. So here you can understand that solid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent, and here you can understand that liquid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent. Is it clear? In your reference book there is one example, milk of magnesia, for the acidity the content which we are using. So there also they are writing 8.0% W by W, means weight by weight or volume by volume. So by reading this you can understand that how the on the industrial level these things should be going to be calculated. Is it clear? Along with this we completed this topic. You have to solve the multiple example. You can make the same question, numerals you can change it and try to solve it multiple times. It will be very easy if you remember the question and difference between the mass and the volume, then you will understand. So prepare the notes very properly, submit it soon and do your homework. Till then, bye bye.